Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about zoology. So what is zoology? Zoology is a branch of biology concerned with the study animals and animal kingdom. It is also known as animal biology. The study of zoology includes the interaction of animal kingdom in their ecosystems, such as classification, habit, structure, embryology, distribution, evolution, and extant species. Zoology is the division of biology that deals with the animal kingdom. It is a scientific study related to the entire species of the animal kingdom. An ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle was the first person to broadly classify the living things in the 14th century. Firstly, he divided living things into animals and plants and then continued with his further classification. Later, the words like biology, botany, and zoology came into existence. The study of zoology includes animal physiology, their behavior, and their interaction with other species in their environment. It is a huge course that includes the distribution of every animal species on Earth, including extinct animals. Apart from the animal kingdom and ecosystem, zoology also explores a new idea of research. Later, Aristotle divided animals into two classes, one with red blood and another without, such as insects and crustaceans. Then he further classified creatures into those who were able to walk, flow, and swim. The classification by Aristotle was followed until the 16th century. During the Age of Enlightenment, scientists finally began to research closely. Now, zoology has become much more complex, where the living things are divided into 5 kingdoms, in which animal kingdom themselves divided into several smaller categories of phylum, class, order, family, genus, and finally species. So in simple words, we can say that zoology is the study of all animals of all shapes and sizes, from tiny insects to large mammals. Zoologists investigate what animals eat and how they live, and how animals interact with their habitats. Zoology is divided into many different areas. The name of each is based on the group of animals that is studied. For example, entomology is the study of insects and mammalogy is the study of mammals. Some zoologists examine animals' bodies and how they live. They may answer questions about how the animals behave, how their bodies work, or how they live in their environment. Other zoologists study how animals have evolved or changed over time. One of the great zoologists was Charles Darwin. He developed the theory of evolution. Zoologists often study animals in the wild. They may also take animals back to a lab to study them more closely. They may draw or photograph the animal or look at them under a microscope. Zoologists may write books or articles on the animals they study. Through the study of zoology, you can gain an understanding of the natural world and how we can help with conservation. It also offers the opportunity to consider ways to face global challenges such as climate change and food security, trying to find solutions to help both animals and humans alike. Zoology is tackling some of the major problems facing the world and society today. I hope so this video will be helpful for you. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.